Intro video for EDL350. A little bit about me. I went to Pittsburgh State, got my undergraduate there, graduated in 2010. This is currently my 9th year of teaching. I'm a 6th grade teacher in the Mission School District. I started out with 5th grade, and then I was moved to 4th grade, and now I'm at 6th grade, and it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it. I sponsor a basketball club before schools. I coach golf and I coach basketball. That would be my extra duties within the district. So not too bad. As far as what our administration is aware of for laws, I'm not exactly sure. We don't discuss it very often. They are definitely aware of school funding. That's a topic that gets brought up quite a bit within meetings. They discuss attendance policies. We have some issues with that at our school, so I know they're aware of that. And then we are a Title I school, so they are definitely aware of how that works and what funding we get for being a Title I school. Our school board shows their meetings on YouTube. I know that. I never watch it, but they're on YouTube. And then we have a staff member who will attend the meeting and email out the minutes, so we're aware of the information that was presented that night. I don't ever read those minutes. That's probably something I should look into, but I have not done that within my years of teaching. And then a few times each year, someone from the school board will visit and share what they think and kind of promote their plan and how their point of view looks, and then keep us informed of any changes or new things that are happening within our district. My knowledge of the law is pretty slim from what I can tell. I've never really considered any of the laws that we have to deal with, usually just focused on teaching, so that's something I should definitely improve upon. I know about state testing. We go through those situations and what you have to do to follow the laws there. Funding, we talk about funding a lot in meetings and how we're going to get money for certain programs at our school. So I'm aware of a few of those things, and then lunch programs for kids who need help with getting lunch. Maybe their parents can't afford it. So that's a Title I thing. So that's really the only thing I'm aware of. I need to probably look into that. I just have never really considered the laws and things like that. My plan to improve upon that I'm actually going to start reading the minutes from the school board. I actually will be informed and know what's going on, so I think that will help me a lot. Research is pretty important when it comes to laws. I actually like to read, so I plan on reading about school situations, school policies, things like that, especially within our district, to be informed. And then ask coworkers. I'm probably one of the very few coworkers who doesn't read the minutes and has no idea what's going on. So ask some experienced teachers to keep me up to date and things like that. And then this class obviously will help me be aware of the federal laws, and then the coworkers and reading the minutes that will keep me up with the local stuff. So should be a good class, and look forward to learning some stuff.